Here we are, guys, back at it again with another Hillbilly production. I would just like to thank everybody for tuning in and let everybody know my name's Hillbilly and I am a knifeaholic. We had another knife come in this morning, GEC number 56 dog leg jack. We're going to open this bad boy up and let you guys take a look at it. Having a rainy day here in East Tennessee. It's been raining, had a little break yesterday in the rain. Right back at it again. So, let's open this little lady up. Believe you guys are going to like this for all my knife guys here. Another one from the Knife Connection. Package out of the way, nothing else in the package. Receipt that we don't need to take a look at. Double package as usual. Emerson CQC7 as usual. Let's check out what we got in the tube. Paper's blowing away. Hopefully we can make it through this video without getting the camera blowed away and rained on. I've done got my stuff rained on once, so had to reset up. There we are. Let's open this bad boy up. Dog leg jack. That was really smooth. Drop my cap. There's your cap. Mustard jig bone. First knife of 2018 production, I do believe. Tube right here. Got a lot going on here. Let's see what we got going on, guys. You're seeing it as house it. There she is. This is going to be my first official video of a little series I'm going to try to keep up with. It's called The Walk and Talk. It's just a little something I come up with. I don't know if there's anybody else that's got that kind of that specific name going on, but a little series I'm going to start doing with my pocket knives for all you knife nuts. And here is the American Jack is in her stunning beauty. Thought I'd brighten her out here to do a little comparison. That's in golden brown jig bone. Let me get my paper towel here to wipe the oil off. I'm sure we got oil. Here we go. We got the bomb inlay here. Let's see here. Let's open her up. Now this knife does not have a half stop, so if you're wondering what a half stop is, there you go. I know most of you guys know, but I'm sure there's some out there that don't have a half stop. That way if you're going at it with something and your blade flips in, it won't come back on you. It stops right there in the middle. No half off, or half stop. I can get it out there. There we are. Got the satin finish on the spear point. Huge fan of the spear point. And I believe this one is going in my pocket, guys. That's my intentions. You know, I'm kind of torn between keeping them all nice and pretty or carrying them. And I believe this one's going to go in the pocket. I've been carrying my Northwoods Hawthorne Jack here ever since the first video. That video of the unboxing on it. If you hadn't seen it, go check it out. It's been in my pocket every day since. So coming up on 1 year here in just a couple of months. Anyways, let's get back to this. Enough yakking. Wipe the oil off. Get a closer look. Focus. Come on now. There we go. Check the blade center. Oh, perfecto. I like not having a half stop in there. As I've said many times before, I like a nice, easy pull. I don't like my knives like bear traps, so I really like that no half stop in there. Number 56, as you see, 2018 production. I think one of those two stand for number of blades, and number 2, 1, 2 stands for the spear point, I do believe. If I'm wrong, correct me. Still kind of new to these GEC knives, even though I do have a handful of them. I could tell you everything you need to know about a case knife, but still getting I'm a little green on these still. Let's check the pin blade. Got the nail neck right here, then we have a nail neck on this side. A little different, as you can see with the American Jack, they're both on the same side. Got the long nail neck, long pull right here. This is the Northfield edition. They bump up the trim a little better on the Northfields. This is a Tiduit. A couple hours after I bought this one, they dropped the Northfield Stag handled ones on, and I was really wanting one of those, but I didn't know when they was going to drop. And I blew my knife funds on this one. Let's check out this pin blade. Not bad, not bad. Kind of light, which that's what I like. So, no complaints. Some kind of little shiny spot in the nail nick there. Camera is not wanting to focus. We're going to have to move this. I think that's causing a problem. Come on now, focus with me. There we go. Okay, let's check her out. Check out the transitions on the end cap and the handle material. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. On the bolster. A little hang up right there, but it's not bad. Good. Good. Blade centering again. Let's check out our back springs. Little catch right there, little, not much. Check the pin blade. The pin blade's a little stiff. It's probably about a 7, maybe a 6.5 or 7 pull on that. That one's El Perfecto. talk. That's about a 6 pull on that right there. Of course, it's a little different because you don't have a half stop, so it feels a little different than a knife with a half stop. It is smooth though. Yeah, that's a bona fide 6 right pull on that. And this pin blade, yeah, that's a 7. Not bad. Cool. I was hoping to get a little darker on the brown, but not bad. She's a beauty. This is the number 56 dog leg frame here. This Northwoods is on it. This is a number 48. This is considered a slim dog leg frame. As you can see, it's kind of reversed. This is, they say, I've seen some people saying that this feels real good in the hand because it's reversed. You see here, here's the difference. You got your dip there. Let's check this out then. I'd say this will be a beauty for cutting fruit. How it just lays in the hand. Get the blade coming back at you. Draw cuts. Yeah, it feels good. Lays right in your hand. And feels good that way too. But you can see, you can really cut some. You could cut some apples right there. That's why I'm planning on carrying this one. I eat a lot of fruit with my pocket knives. That's the main reason I carry them. I always carry my old workhorse folder. I always keep a pocket knife on me, or a slip joint. And I prefer a 2-blade, just to have that secondary blade cut stuff. I really don't like cutting whatever you got to cut with the blade that I cut food with. I'm just not big on that, so I always like having that secondary blade, do any cutting with or whatnot. But I can always keep big blade nice and sharp for cutting fruit, big fat steak, you know. You guys know what I'm talking about. Looks real good. Hope I'm not leaving it. Well, let's get to, I wrote down the specs and we'll do some cutting too. We've got to do some, whack some paper up with it. Let's check out Mr. Spear point here. Feels sharp. See, sharp. Check a little push cut here. This paper's kind of wet, so it's damp. I believe it would do a push cut if it wasn't so damp. Pin blade. You always know it's good and sharp if you can start getting some cutting into a circle. So that'll definitely shave. Okay guys, I guess that's going to wrap this one up. I am going to talk about this one soon to wrap this up. It's right here. Thought you might want to hear about this little knife here. There's your number 56 dog leg jack mustard jig bone. This little knife, don't know what it is. I think it was my second day out with my Garrett AT Pro metal detector a couple of years ago. I think this was early 2016. Found this in my backyard, which used to be my yard. It used to be my grandmother's when I was growing up. Property was built in 1946, and I found a bunch of pennies, same area as this knife. I mean, like inches from it, going back to early 40s. One of them was actually 1946, and the other one was early 40s. Found this right beside the pennies, so I'm assuming it's probably been in the ground since the 40s. Can't say for certain. Don't know what it is, but if any of you guys may have an idea of what it is, possibly a brand, hit me in the comments. Got some bone here. You can tell it's got the old wrought iron steel in it. You can see the texture in there. Very cool little knife, even though it's destroyed basically. Coming from my grandmother's yard, I'll never get rid of it. It was right under where the clothesline used to be years ago. I literally played above this knife. when I was just a little kid. I was actually playing right above this knife. It was sitting right there in the ground the whole time. Found it. It was about 4 inches down. Anyways, I guess that's going to wrap it up here. I just thought I'd show you guys this little knife. Pretty cool. You can see it's probably about three and a half inches, maybe 3¼ inches long. So, okay, guys. Well, that's enough yakking. I've yacked enough. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and my RC guys gonna be putting a clutch in the B3 tomorrow. So keep an eye out for me. Hillbilly is over and out.